Last but not least, we'll go over how to add an SVI variable to the Profinet network. Well, to get started, we're going to add 2 modules to our Profinet network. To do this, we go back to our master, and then we are going to click on our PN slave. Now that we're here, we're once again going to add modules. In my case, we're going to add the DB64 out, put it on an unused slot, add a new module, select the DB64 in, and place it on another slot. Now we click Finish. As you can see, they're added at the bottom. For your information, the in variant is used when you only want to read out the data, and the out variant is used when you want to write an SVI to the slave. So now that we added them, we click on our modules, and then on the top right here, we can choose an SVI to add. So I'm going to select a random variable that's inside this application. Select yes. Then we go do the same for the DB out. Now I need a variable that is also writable, so I select this one and we go Finish. Then we save the configuration. Again, it will ask us to overwrite the existing file on the slave. We're going to do so. Then again, reboot the slave, and after that, the master. Now that both our master and slave have rebooted, we're going to check if our modules are working. So we're going to open our master network, Profinet, net1, our PN slave, and you can see the blue icon again. If we open the 64 in, we can see here that it's reading out the data from our SVI. And if we go to our DB64 out, we now have a channel where we can write data towards our slave. And this is how you connect SVI to your Profinet network.